Hello everyone and welcome back to the Luxury. Las Vegas hotels can be expensive, especially if you're going for a weekend. It's not uncommon to see the hotels on Las Vegas Strip cost more than $300 per night. If you want to be close to all the action without spending your entire budget on your hotel room, you're in luck. Before we begin, make sure you smash that subscribe button to never miss an update from the Luxury. On the south end of the Strip is Luxor Hotel and Casino, one of the most affordable hotels in Las Vegas, Nevada. Luxor offers a great rate, a wide variety of amenities, and a ton of things that will keep you busy your entire vacation. We'll take an in-depth look at the iconic Pyramid Hotel in the Las Vegas desert in this guide. From the casino and the restaurants to the live show and incredible pool, you'll feel like you're staying in an upscale resort without paying the high-end prices. The resort is the perfect place to stay for travelers on a budget. You'll find rooms with stunning views of the Las Vegas Strip, and you can book a room as low as $28 plus taxes and the resort fee. It's affordable, comfortable, and close to all the action on the Strip. Rooms at Luxor. Like the suites, you can choose a variety of standard rooms. You can stay in the Pyramid or one of the hotel towers. If you're looking for a king bed, there's no shortage of options. You can find affordable standard rooms in the Pyramid that are dated. If you want a more modern room that feels newer, you can book a Pyramid Premier King room or look at booking a king room in one of the towers. Similarly, if you need two queen beds, you'll have the choice to book an affordable room in the Pyramid or booking a more modern two-queen room in the towers or a Pyramid Premier Queen room. Luxor Hotel Suites. The hotel offers a variety of luxurious suites and penthouses in both the Pyramid and the hotel towers. There is something so enchanting staying inside the Pyramid. The slanted walls create a unique, one-of-a-kind experience. You can book luxurious corner suites with unique slanted walls. All Pyramid suites have living room space. The king suites offer a one king bed, while the queen suites offer two queen beds. In the hotel towers, there are no slanted walls or weird elevators, but you can book a variety of luxurious 1- and 2-bedroom suites and penthouses that have stunning views of Las Vegas. The Tower 2-bedroom suites and penthouses have a wet bar, dining room, living room, 2 king-size beds, and multiple bathrooms. Luxor Hotel Amenities. Luxor offers hotel guests popular amenities including a fitness center, room service, Wi-Fi, and more. If you want to travel with your four-legged friends, the hotel does offer dog-friendly rooms. In the hot summer, guests can access Mandalay Bay and Excalibur through the air-conditioned walkways as well as a free tram. Luxor Resort Fees. Resort fees are nearly impossible to avoid in Las Vegas, and Luxor is no exception. Hotel guests will have to pay a resort fee of $35 per day plus tax. This hotel provides luxury on a budget. Luxor Pool. Cool off from the hot summer sun at Luxor Hotel Pool with a refreshing swim at the pool, or relax on the sun-drenched pool deck. With 4 pools, the resort has one of the largest pool decks in Las Vegas. You'll find a lot of people lounging poolside, Upgrade your experience and enjoy a private cabana with your friends or family. Dive in with a refreshing cocktail, always within arm's reach of the poolside beverage attendants. There's also a poolside cafe for light meals, snacks and refreshing drinks. The pool is open every day for hotel guests from 9 AM to 6 PM. The Luxor Spa. Who doesn't love self-care while on vacation? Find peace and relaxation by visiting Luxor Spa. You'll find traditional treatments, such as massages and facials, to more personal indulgences, like hairstyling or makeup consultations. Luxor Restaurants. The Luxor Hotel and Casino has a ton of food and drink options for all tastes. From tender steakhouse to Diablo's Cantina, there's something that will satisfy your appetite. The Hotel and Casino has a ton of food and drink options for all tastes. Luxor Casino. You'll find over 60 table games on the casino floor, including one of the few $5 blackjack tables on the Strip. You'll find crowd favorites like craps, roulette, 3-card poker, let it ride and more. The casino has a wide selection of slot machines with denominations ranging from 1 cent to $100. So, you're sure to find the perfect game for your taste and a budget at Luxor Las Vegas. You'll find traditional reel slots alongside modern slots with bonus rounds and progressive jackpots. Luxor Sportsbook. The casino's BetMGM Sportsbook offers seating with plenty of TVs and big screens to watch all of your sports bets in action. Plus, during peak times, there are a couple of table games located in the sportsbook. Cocktail service is provided across the entire casino floor, including the sportsbook. All active gamblers can receive free drinks from the cocktail waitress. Things to do at Luxor Las Vegas. Now, if gambling isn't your thing, or traveling with people under 21, Luxor Hotel and Casino is a popular destination for all ages. Luckily, guests have plenty to do because the property is loaded with activities. The hotel offers free attraction and points of interest, including the Sphinx and the brightest pyramid on Earth, which can be seen many miles away. Inside, the resort has an esports arena, 2 museum exhibits, and a spa. This hotel provides the best vacation experience on a budget, so plan a trip now without worrying about the budget. So what do you like most? Do let us know in the comments down below. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in our next one.